Anatomy education has remained unchanged for centuries, until now. Introducing Brahmarsive's Digital Cadaver, a revolutionary leap in medical education. A hyper-realistic 3D anatomical platform designed for immersive learning experiences. VR-based Digital Cadaver is the answer to educators and educational institutions, as it also helps in lowering procurement and maintenance costs by 80%, reducing OPEX, streamlining teaching processes, and ensuring scalable, sustainable, and ethical cadaver usage. It also allows institutes to track student progress with insightful dashboards. Brahmarsive's Digital Cadavers help students practice with GUI instructions and deep dive with advanced features like dynamic explode views, interactive cross-sections, and micro-level details. Practice, repeat, master with Brahmarsive's Digital Cadaver. The future of anatomy is now.